Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use picture-in-picture mode in Android. Here's a step guide to use picture-in-picture PIP mode on Android. First, unlock your mobile phone and go to the home screen. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Apps and Notifications or just Apps depending on your phone. Choose Special App Access, sometimes found under Default Apps, but on my phone, it's on the app list. Tap on an app, for example, YouTube. Tap on Picture in Picture, and make sure Allow Picture in Picture is toggled on. Repeat this for other apps you want to use in PIP mode. Now open a supported app, for example, YouTube or Google Maps. Play a video like YouTube or start navigation by using the maps. Then press the home button or swipe up to go to your home screen. The video or map will shrink into a small floating window that you can drag around the screen. To exit PIP, drag the window to the bottom or hold it, then move it to the close or X button. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.